Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte hinamon si Senador Antonio Trillanes na maglabas ng ebidensya sa 1 bilyong piso sa kanyang bank account. Amon pa ng Pangulo sa Senador, sa halip na mag-ingay ay dalhin na lamang sa korte ang kanyang reklamo. May report si Rocky Ignacio.
Hinamon ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte si Senator Antonio Trillanes na maglabas ng ebidensya kaugnay ng umano'y questionabling 2 bilyong pisong bank account. Sa mensahe ng Pangulo, sinabi nito na agad siyang magbibitiw sa pwesto sakaling mapatunayan ng Senador ang naturang akusasyon.
This I can say. If Trillanes can prove his allegation that I have amassed 2 billion pesos illegally, or if that bank account under my name has a total deposit at one time of even just $500 million, I will resign as president immediately.
Itinuring rin nito na rihas ang akusasyon ni Trillanes at matagal na rin niya itong nasagot. Matatandaan na inilabas ng senador ang umano'y tagong yaman ng pamilya Duterte ilang araw bago ang presidential election noong Mayo 2016. Git pa ng Pangulo, sa halip na mag-ingay, dalhin na lamang ni Trillanes ang reklamo sa korte.
This is actually an old and rehearsed issue. I have answered this allegation before I became president. The people have already spoken. They have placed me in the office with 16 million votes. I would advise Trillanes to go to court and file the proper case against me and advise him further to stop opening his mouth when he has nothing to say anyway.
Ipinagtanggol din ng Pangulo ang kanyang partner na si Hanelet Avancena na inakusahan ng pagkakaroon rin umano ng tagong yaman.
Trillanes, alam mo, yung si Hanelet started her donut business 18 years ago. She supplies meat sa 5 malls dito sa Davao. Siya yung nagsusupply ng karne, ng baboy. Diyan, kalaki ang pera ng babaeng yan. Matyaga. Hindi kagaya mo ambisyoso. May mutiny ka pa. Wala ka naman pa ng tapos taas ka agad ang kamay pagdating ng pulis. Nakakahiya ka. Totoo lang. Kaya kung pamilya mo gutom noon o ngayon, huwag mo kaming isali. Hindi kami kasing malas sa pamilya mo.
Ipinaalala pa ng Pangulo sa Senador na may sarili ring kita si Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte dahil isa itong abogada.
This is amusing how Trillanes came up with this accounting. He even included day-to-day banking transactions of my partner Hanelet. This just shows his ignorance with regards to the regular banking business. The people who have personal businesses must also have forgotten that my daughter Sarah is a lawyer by profession and that she earns from this and that, and she has clients who actually pay for her services and not from illegal retainers which Trillanes is so used to doing.
Binuweltahan na rin ni Davao City Vice Mayor Paulo Duterte ang senador matapos mapatunayan na mali ang akusasyon at negatibo ito sa paggamit ng ilegal na droga, ibinabato ang umano'y tagong yaman. Kaya hamon ito sa senador, kung mapapatunayan, handa niyang ibigay ito sa mga biktima ng lindol sa Surigao. Git naman ng Pangulo, may kaya rin anya ang kanyang pamilya kaya mayroon silang namana sa kanilang mga magulang.
Hindi kami mahirap rin. Tatay ko gobernador noon, may iniwan sa amin. Ikaw, anong naiwan sa'yo? Hangin pati yabang. Tulisan ka, sa totoo lang.
Binuhay ni Trillanes ang akusasyon sa tagong yaman dahil sa hindi pa umano nasasagot ng buo ang issue.
First, is that Trillanes is on his last term and would have known nothing to lose if he would resign from office, which explains his penchant for always daring president to resign. He actually has no political career after his term in office expires in less than 2 years. It is known in the Senate that Trillanes uses his office to ask for retainers and that this has become a lucrative business for him.
Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio.